We all know that the Indian woman is a breed apart. Groomed from childhood to become a caring, nurturing adult, she turns into an eight-armed goddess once she marries and raises a family, multitasking among various chores and duties of a busy household from dawn to dusk. And if she happens to hold a job outside the home, the domestic goddess simply takes that as well into her stride without missing a beat. This means the typical Indian working mom not only ensures that her household runs like clockwise, she also undertakes her arduous commutes to work and does sundry chores outside the home before returning home in the evening in time to lay a piping hot dinner on the table and supervise kids' homework before bedtime. Rather, it is not wrong to say that past few months, however, have turned her world totally upside down. She has been compelled to work from home, has a family that needs care for all 24/7, and of course, with very little domestic help. There's a mother in all the families right now, juggling work schedules with one hand, and she manages to keep kids occupied and fresh vegetables on the table at every meal. She is capable of dealing with extra responsibilities thrown at her. But it won't be such a bad idea to recoup and remember all that she is doing and trying to do her best for us. Here are some ways that you could do a bit extra for her. Share her load. Mothers are the de facto caretakers of the family, which means they not only cook for all the dishes for everyone, but also pick up your dirty laundry, look after the elderly persons in the family, and make sure that the pantry is well stocked at the difficult times. All this is done in between attending to her own official mails and calls and finishing her day's office work. You can rather make a difference by offering her to do some dishes or the laundry or dusting around the house, so that she is left with some more time to do her own chores. You could in fact even encourage other family members to help her. You never know if it could turn into a lifetime good habit. Let's give her a special experience. Sure, you cannot move out of the house to treat her to a movie or a dinner once in a while, but every once in a while you can ask her to take a day off from the kitchen duty and let her put her feet up. Start with a small breakfast for her and whip up her favorite dishes for lunch and dinner. This might need you to buy the essentials little in advance if you are looking for exotic ingredients which may not be easily available these days. Even you can plan a small gift for her. She may be the mother of your children or your own working mom. Her birthday could be around the corner, or you may simply want to show her that you care. You could choose to invest in various financial plans created to suit the needs of women at different stages of life, such as protection, health, retirement, child's education, long-term savings, and investments. This definitely will give her wings to aspirations, ensures that her savings are growing. These are the ways of showing the working mom that her work is appreciated. Her sacrifices are priceless and her contribution to the household is incalculable. Helping her to make her future financially secure is the gift of a lifetime she will cherish ever. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.